Hi guys. I normally don't do this. I never really leave a review because I am camera shy. What I'm doing now is reaching out, doing new things. My name is Yvonne Ely, and I'm 60 years old. And the reason I mention that is because I was so intimidating in actually using the product of I'm thinking that things are done for the younger generation, or this is so intimidating to me because this is not my era of expertise. So that's why I mentioned my age. I was scared to actually purchase all of the deal quokka. That's what I did purchase on that, and oh my God, this is so mind-blowing for me. At first, yes, it was intimidating, but what it has done is opened up my imagination. Right now I am unemployed, and what I wanted to do is to go into a business of my own to try to do something, but because of the AI and all this, it was scary to me. I'm a beginner. I don't know anything about the computers, and I was scared to even test the waters. But I decided to purchase the deal quokka, and I began to review everything that it has to offer. Oh wow, I did get overwhelmed at first, but there is so much of vast of resource in that it opened up my creative juices in my mind. So now I have a good idea on things that I want to create, things that I want to do, and the resources is there. I have been using the research sources, and I'm also learning. I'm learning how to use this. I'm learning how to be good in AI. I've looked at the courses that Jasrati's courses that they have, and I am learning. You're never too old to learn, and this is one thing that I am appreciative that I did invest in, because I have been using the courses. I'm learning to do things. I'm learning how to I like the One AI. I do have that software, and creating pictures and creating videos. I never thought that I would be able to do it, but it's so easy. It is really easy to understand and get into. I have opened up my creative juices to where now I think I'm going to actually do some YouTube shorts. I'm going to create motivational things. And one thing that I didn't know, if I didn't know how to do it, I can start off because they have some that's already pre-done for me. The only thing I have to do is open up a YouTube channel and put it through. It's giving me the commercial licenses, so I don't have to worry about copyright fringe benefits on it. But oh my God, this is awesome. And I am so glad that I did invest in it. And hey, if you haven't, you definitely need to do it. Thank you.